CCleaner is a highly respected utility software that specializes in optimizing system performance by cleaning unwanted files, fixing registry errors, and managing programs that run at system startup. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both novice and experienced users, facilitating easy navigation and operation. One of the core strengths of CCleaner is its ability to effectively clear up disk space by removing temporary files, browser caches, and other unnecessary system files that can slow down a computer. This cleanup process helps in enhancing the overall performance and speed of the system, making it particularly valuable for users with limited hardware resources. CCleaner also offers a robust registry cleaner that scans for and fixes invalid or outdated registry entries, which is essential for maintaining the stability and efficiency of the operating system. Although tweaking the registry can be risky, CCleaner is designed to be conservative in its cleanup, reducing the risk of causing any significant issues. The software includes a useful tool that manages programs that start automatically when the computer boots. This feature allows users to disable unwanted programs that slow down the system's startup time, thus improving the computer's boot speed and overall responsiveness. Additionally, CCleaner provides the functionality to uninstall applications and wipe drives. It also features a browser plugin manager that can remove or disable unnecessary add-ons or toolbars, which can enhance browser performance and security. Despite its many advantages, it's important for users to approach CCleaner with caution, particularly with its registry cleaning functions, as improper use can potentially cause system instability. It's advisable to use the registry cleaner feature sparingly and always ensure that backups are created before making significant changes. Overall, CCleaner is a valuable tool for maintaining system health, particularly for Windows users. It offers a reliable way to free up disk space, manage startup programs, and keep the system running smoothly. However, users should be aware of the potential risks associated with registry cleaning and use these features judiciously.